I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is a 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. Certainly one of the most popular boats that Grady-White builds and one of the most sought after boats here at MarineMax. This particular one has the 200 Yamahas on it with joystick piloting. We'll talk a little bit more about that joystick piloting as I work my way forward. Something nice about the 275 is it's a great family boat, but it's a fantastic fishing boat as well. One of the things that you'll notice when you step on board here is that you've got a ski pilot in the back of the boat, great for pulling tubes and skiers. But when you're fishing, you don't want that in the way. Look how easy. No tools or anything needed. Just drop it down and it's out of the way. Big fish box in the middle. Live well on the port side. If you're not using that live well to keep bait alive, it's insulated around the outside of it so you can use it as a cooler. If you're ready to cruise or ready to drive home at the end of the day, you've got a great seat in the back. But you want nice padding when you're fishing, but when you're done fishing, how easy the seat comes out. Gets put away just as quick. Folds away, then it's out of your way. On the port side, you've got an electric lounger here. I'm not going to do it for this short video, but the bottom of this lounger extends out to about here and turns that into a nice sun lounge seat. And then you've got obviously a forward facing seat on the other side. On the starboard side, we've got a little wet bar, a little place to prepare some food or drinks. You've got a little freshwater faucet on this side. Storage drawers, there's your trash can right there. And then these storage drawers, get on the boat and feel the quality in these drawers that are on here. You're just not going to find that in our competition when you feel how nice those rollers are. Always top of the line options, top of the line equipment that Grady-White uses. The seat on these 275 Freedoms, absolutely gorgeous, super comfortable. Want to stand up and drive? Look at it, a perfect position for standing up and driving. But if I want to sit down, put that in place. Steering wheel drops down, armrest is in place, and look how comfortable I am sitting in this. This seat moves forward and backward, it goes up and down, and it swivels, so it's fully adjustable. It's gonna fit where you want to be. What I was talking about earlier with the joystick piloting, you just don't see this in a lot of 27-foot boats, but we've ordered it on this particular 275 Freedom. You want to move the boat to the left, right, forward, diagonally, spin it, whatever you want to do. That's the joystick pilot on it makes it a breeze for getting in and out of slips. Large head compartment on the port side. That's a real marine head. It's got a macerator with an overboard discharger, or it's got a holding tank on it as well. Plenty of room on your front lounge seats. I'm 6'3". I still got room at the end of my legs so I can stretch out up here. Got drink holders up here. If you want to sit 4 people up here, you can put 4 people up here comfortably with your knees not knocking together. This boat's got the electric anchor windlass, foot switches, or what they call foot switches. These ones you wouldn't actually use your feet on, but your switches for your windlass up here in the bow of the boat. Makes it real easy so when you come up here and you see where your anchor line's going, you can go in or out with your controls right here instead of just having controls back at the helm. If you've ever worked a windlass before, you'll appreciate having these switches up here. This is the Grady-White 275 Freedom. This one's got the 200 Yamahas on it with the joystick piloting. If you want to take it for a test ride, give me a call. I'm Grant at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.